talk about why I like to use these pressure quick connects. These are from the Dixon Sanitary line, and we only supply these with the FizzWiz. There's a very good reason, and that's because I really like the way that they connect to the pressure fitting. That's properly connected. To take it off is very simple too. You just push the collar down. So that's why I like to use these. I don't like to use these. These types are from more automotive and high pressure applications. They're rated to extremely high pressures, and they're not really worried about whether they leak at lower pressures. Now, carbonation, believe it or not, is a low pressure environment. It's usually under 15 pounds per square inch. And these are more of a struggle to get on. And they do this thing where the collar doesn't seat properly, and you can walk away and you can think it's connected, but it's actually seeping gas out of the bottom of the connector, and you think it's connected, but a good pull will pull it off. These, there's no doubt that's connected. That's why I like these pressure connectors.
Contact us today to learn how you can better control your carbonation.